ADA has been dragged down by the rest of the market recently, but could see some moves up soon. Let me show you why. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be talking to you about ADA Cardano. Now, this is one of our favorite long-term investment coins, so I'm going to be talking to you about that. But before I do that, I have to let you know that all the trading tools you'll see me use in this video can be found in the link below. And the best part is they are on sale for the largest sale of the year. Let's check it out. This is the Christmas sale, our biggest sale ever, up to $400 savings. Now, one of our most popular indicators here is the TC top and bottom finder. Right now, you can get it for $350 off using code HOLIDAY350. The sale ends Friday, but you can actually get it even cheaper. You can use code HOLIDAY50 to get $50 off the bundle pack. Now, this includes 9 indicators, including the trend exhaustion, price versus money flow you see me use in most videos, but it'll also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. So that's a total combined savings of $450 off. Biggest sale of the year, everyone. If you want to get access, again, links are in the description. Let's check out where I think Cardano's going next. Right now, I'm looking at Cardano USD on the Trade Confident.io website, and I'm just going to run through the metrics real quick. First up is the Cardano Emotional Index. We all know the saying, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, we are in actually anxious territory. We have a little bit to move before we get into fearful. Typically, when we see the blue line move into excited or greedy territory, this is where we're going to see sharp moves down. And as you can see, there has been a massive price drop as the rest of the market dropped this weekend. Because of that, we have fallen into anxious territory, not quite fearful yet, but we typically see moves up once we hit anxious as well. Next up, Cardano long versus short trades. Of course, this will tell you exactly what the title says. It'll show you the difference in long versus short trade volume here. You can see short trades have risen in the past bit of time, but have dropped off since the price dropped off this weekend. This is hard to call right here because while it has dropped off a tiny bit, short trades are still fairly high compared to where long trades were even just a few days ago. This one I would actually call slightly bearish. Checking out Cardano's smart money sentiment chart here, it looks like there's a lot of orange bars towards long sentiment. Typically this happens because whale traders are going to try and pick up a cryptocurrency after the price drops. They're going to buy it low and then try and sell high. And as you can see, Cardano has dropped really low, down to 26 cents here. This is a crazy low price for Cardano, and because of that, I think whales could be buying up soon. Next up is the Cardano breakout detector. Right now, we are looking at consolidation. What this means is it's possible that the price is going to move sideways for some time. It might trend slightly downwards or upwards, but overall, it's probably going to move mostly sideways. When the green line falls below the impulse line, this means we're going to see a big move possibly soon. This metric won't show you which direction, only that a big move could be coming soon. Right now we're in consolidation, so it means we're probably going to move sideways. Next up, Cardano major support and resistance levels. Now this is interesting because at this point we have not seen the price of Cardano this low in a very long time. So this chart is not able to show a good support structure at the time. But for now, we do have this 29.53 cent structure resistance now. It used to be support, but because the price is broken below that, it has become resistance. Last but not least is the Cardano daily trade scanner. Now we are just into the green line. We're using this green line as structure support. And typically when this happens, this is where we're going to see buy or strong buy signals happen. So be on the lookout for that. We'll keep everyone updated. But we are using this line as structure support, and that is typically bullish, at least for a short time. The metrics are kind of indecisive right now. Some are showing slightly bearish, some are showing slightly bullish. Overall, it seems fairly indecisive. So we'll have to check out the 4-hour time frame and see where we could be going next, taking a closer look. Again, though, before I get started, the links for the indicators' biggest sale of the year, they can be found at the links in the description. Right now, I'm looking at Cardano USD using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Right off the bat here, I am seeing a bear flag pattern. This is indicated by a long bar to the downside, followed by an upwards trending channel pattern. This is a bearish pattern. It's going to break out to the downside, and that's exactly what we saw. We have currently broken out of a green liquidity pool. this is an area where there's typically a lot of long trades, and it's very likely, you saw on the whale sentiment chart, we are likely to see a lot of long trades in this area from whales and retailers alike. The price has stayed well below the blue line here, indicating, I mean, it's obvious it is a downtrend, but this blue line indicates we are very much in a downtrend, and it's going to be a little bit of time before we begin moving back up again. Price versus well money flow is at 40, and it's a little bit low, but it's still moving down. This shows we have plenty of room to move down. You can see it went as far a while back as 20. I don't know if we'll reach 20 at this point, but we do still have plenty of room to move down, and this shows bearish sentiment. The trend exhaustion is low on its chart, but it's leveling out a bit, but it could still see a push down into the bottom red section. There's a lot of indecision in the market at this point, so it's hard to officially make a call. But based on the indecision of the metrics and based on the fact that the price versus well money flow does still have room to move down, based on the fact we are actively playing out a bear flag pattern, I think it's very possible we could meet structure support at 25 cents. Now this 25 cents comes from structure resistance way back here, back in January of 2021. It also meets quarters level theory at 25 cents. On top of this, you can typically predict where a bear flag pattern is going to fall by taking the flagpole, moving it to the top of the flagpole to the point where it's broken out or expected to break out. It broke out here, so we'll call it there. Typically, the price could fall down to about the bottom of the flagpole. Now, it's going to take a lot of volatility in the market to push it that far down, and we have really strong structure support at 25 cents. Combining this with the fact that the price versus well money flow has potential to move down at this point, I don't think 25 cents is out of the question. Now, if we do end up moving up from here, we are touching structure support at 25.5 cents here. It's right back here, previous structure support. If we do end up moving back up, I don't think we're going to see higher than 26.2 cents to hit this structure resistance. For now, though, I think it's such a hard call, guys. This is a really hard one. Based on the indecision, I think just general bearish pressure in the market, even Bitcoin over here is bearish. It's a red day for the crypto market. I think it's possible to see as far down as 25 cents, but we're going to need some market volatility to do that. If not, I think we're going to move up to 26 cents. So I can't call a really certain answer here. So I'm going to give you both the support and resistance levels to take a look at. Again, 25 cents support is a move down. 26.3 cents is a resistance level for move up. One last time, if you want to get access to the trading tools you just saw me use, links are in the description, and if you click it, it'll bring you to this page right here. It is our biggest sale ever. You can get our indicators for up to $450 off. You don't have to take it from us, guys. These indicators really work. This guy, Jeff, made $500, $5,200, and $4,300 in his first 3 trades. This person made $4,300 in just a week, up $5,000 in 2 weeks using these indicators. To get the best possible deal, use code HOLIDAY50 at checkout to get $50 off the bundle pack, and then use the $400 off coupon in the bundle pack to grab the TC top and bottom finder. That'll get you all 11 Trade Confident indicators for less than the price of just the TC top and bottom finder alone. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.